Hello guys, good day. I am Nazario Mandela D. Abad, grade 4, section Galido. In today's video, we will be discussing about changes of a matter. Matter is capable of undergoing changes, which are classified as either physical or chemical. So by the way, what is a physical change? When we say physical change, the material involved in the change is structurally the same before and after the change. Types of some physical changes are texture, shape, temperature, and the change in the state of matter. For example, this is a piece of paper. If I am going to cut like this, the shape and the size of the paper has changed, but is still a paper. So the object changed its appearance, and that is an example of physical change. What is a chemical change? A chemical change occurs when the composition of a substance is changed, which requires the breaking and forming of chemical bonds during a chemical reaction. This results in the rearranging of atoms in substances to form the products of a chemical reaction, which are brand new molecules that cannot be easily reverted back to their original state. For example, this paper again, if I am going to burn this object. Tanggalin tayo. We cannot see that this is still a paper because it is already an ash. In this example, we cannot change back the ash into a paper. Remember that a physical change is a change in properties such as texture, shape, or state, while a chemical change represents the formation of a new substance after atoms are rearranged in a chemical reaction. Until next time, guys, God bless us all. See ya.